guys. Today
I have a big giant present.
Okay.
And it is a monster truck.
A monster. This is from who?
From Tito
Vince Tito Vince family. Yeah. No, that's fine. Hold on. Come here. Okay. Go there. Okay, Din.
I don't like my movie.
Alright. There. Pull.
Oh.
Wow. It's a Monster Jam garage. That's a big one.
I found the ambulance.
Wow, that's a new. Look at that. So nice. Wow. That's thousands
Why
of
did you
cars.
give me 1,000,000?
What will you say? What will you say to Tito
Thanks.
Vince and family?
Thanks.
Thank you so much po. Right, Inday? Thank you so much po. That is from Tito Vince's parents. Yeah. Uniqlo. Alright. Take off the tape there, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what is this?
What's this? Oh, the other one. This is Dindin's.
Oh.
Wow. Wow.
It's bad.
It's pink, not pink. Okay, show me. You wear it, Dindi. Wear it. Yes. Wear it. Okay, wear. Uniqlo. That's so nice. That's so nice. Oh, wear it. That's a sweater.
I know.
Yeah, wear. Can you wear it for me, please? You too, Ate. Wear it for me. Not like that. Wear it, please. Come on. There.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Mama. Okay.
That's so weird.
Okay. Bye. No. Bye, Mama. Let me see, Dindin. Let me see. Nice. Ready. Okay, this is from Tita Vic. This is from Bianca. Wow! Oh my God! Wow! Beautiful! Oh my goodness! I love it. I can use it in Quebec. Oh my gosh! This is so nice. Thank you, Tita, Tito, and Bianx, and Mommy. Thank you po. Bestie. Sarap. So nice, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Diba? Wow.
No. Oh. It's a juice.
So nice. Thank you po. This one.
Mystery gift wrapping.
Yeah. Close it first, Ate, and then make a video again.
No.
Yeah? You did? Okay, this one again. Hold on. Every gift turn off, and then every boxing turn off. Okay? Okay, ready? Ready now. Come on. Hit on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is
Wow.
balloons are so small?
This is so sealed. Ooh! Oh my gosh! It's a set. Like Mommy. With a scarf, beanie, and
Oh wait, Mommy has
gloves, yes.
the one with the eyes.
yeah, she has black and I got green. Thank you po. This is so nice po. Thank you.
You guys are actual sissies for real.
Yeah. Salamat po. Ang ganda naman ito. Thank you so much.
This is from Tito Benz.
Okay, this is from Honey. Wow. Wow. Bags. Nice. 2 bags. Wow. This is beautiful. Yep. Here you go. So I got 2 bags from my honey. There you go. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Get the instructions and let's start building it, right? Okay? Ding ding. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, Ate, for helping your brother. You're such a very nice Ate. Ding, you're so lucky to have your sister with you. Yeah? She's so nice, oh. I like my Ate. Thank you, Ate.
Oh.
Excuse me, can you turn
Excuse me.
the page?
This is so huge. Thank you, Tita Vic and Tito Tom. Say thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's build it now. Inday is the best ate in the whole wide world. Agree? Do you agree?
Listen, I need water.
Honey is the best honey in the whole wide world. I love you.
Don't touch it yet.